Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Excellencies, distinguished guests, Dr. Noman, President of Jamia Binoria, esteemed parents and families, and most importantly, dear graduating students, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It is both an honor and a privilege for me to stand before you once again at the convocation ceremony of Jamia Binoria Aalamia, and I sincerely thank the leadership of this respected institution for the gracious invitation, and I bring warm greetings from the people and the government of Malaysia. Today is a day of joy, gratitude, and reflection. It marks the completion of an important chapter in your life. But I would respectfully suggest that today is not only about endings. Today is about beginnings. Today is about responsibility. Today is about purpose. This ceremony does not only celebrate graduation, it also marks a commissioning, a moment when society entrusts you with a sacred mission to carry knowledge with integrity, to live by it with humility, and to use it in the service of humanity. Allah the Almighty declares in the Holy Quran, Allah will raise those who have believed among you and those who were given knowledge by degrees. Surah Al-Mujadilah, chapter 58, verse 11. Knowledge in our tradition is not a decoration for the intellect. It is an amanah, a sacred trust placed upon the heart of the conscience. What you have gained here is more than academic qualification. It is a moral responsibility. In a world often troubled by misunderstanding, division, and uncertainty, humanity needs scholars who combine learning with wisdom, conviction with compassion, and faith with service. The Prophet Muhammad SAW taught the best of people are those who are most beneficial to others. Let this be the measure of your success. Where there is ignorance, may you bring enlightenment. Where there is anger, may you bring calm. Where there is despair, may you bring hope. True scholarship is not measured by how much one knows, but by how much good one creates. As you step into the public life, remember the words of Allah. Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the one who is most righteous among you. Surah Al-Hujurat, chapter 49, verse 13. Let taqwa be your lifelong compass. During my time in Karachi, I have had the privilege of engaging closely with students and scholars. I have seen with my own eyes the sincerity, discipline, and moral strength nurtured by Jamia Binoria Aalamia. These experiences have strengthened my belief that education grounded in faith remains one of the greatest forces for social harmony and moral leadership. This year's convocation holds a special meaning for me. I am delighted to note that there are 6 Malaysian students will be graduating today. To these young graduates, I extend my heartfelt congratulations. You are the living bridges between Malaysia and Pakistan. Bridges built not of steel or stone, but of friendship, understanding, and shared values. Education is among the strongest forms of people-to-people diplomacy. Through students like you, friendships between nations become enduring. Malaysia remains committed to strengthening education cooperation with Pakistan. And I sincerely hope that this convocation will mark not the end, but the beginning of deeper academic exchanges, stronger alumni network, and lasting scholarly cooperation between our institutions. To the parents and families, today is your triumph as much as your children's. Your sacrifices and prayers have carried them to this proud moment. To the scholars and faculty, you have fulfilled one of the highest trusts, shaping not only minds but character and conscience. Dear graduates, never underestimate the power of sincere effort. Allah assures us in the Holy Quran, so whoever does an atom's weight of good will see it, and whoever does an atom's weight of evil will see it. Surah Al-Zalzalah, chapter 9, verse 7 and 8. Every good deed matters. Every kind word matters. Every life you touch matters. May Allah grant you knowledge that benefit heart and remain humble, and live that illuminate the world with goodness. Once again, my heartfelt congratulations to the graduating class of Jamia Binoria Aalamia 2020 Convocation 2026. Thank you. Shukriya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.